हेलो एवरीवन की खबर आपनालोकर आशा करूँ सकलोरे खबर धुनिया मोर खबर एज अलवेज धुनिया हो आछे आरु আজি ভিডিওটো निश्चय থাম্বনেল বা টাইটেল দেখি গম পাইছে আজি ভিডিওটো কোনো ধৰণৰ ঘুৰিব বা ফুৰিব যোৱা ব্লগ নহয় এটো হৈছে স্কুল অফ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিংৰ বিষয়ে কিছুমান ডিটেইলছ দিয়া এটি ভিডিও কাৰণ মোক ইতিমধ্যে ইনষ্টাত বহুতে মেছেজ দি ভাইটি ভণ্টিসকলে সুধি থাকে যে স্কুল অফ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিংৰ বিষয়ে কওক অলপ বা বুলি কিন্তু মই যেহেতু হিউমেনিটিছৰ পৰা বিলং কৰোঁ গতিকে মই ইমান দূৰ নাজানো ইমানখিনি নাজানো মানে স্কুল অফ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিংৰ বিষয়ে তো ভাবিলোঁ আজি তাতে গৈ কেনে তাৰ ছাৰ বাইদেউসকলৰ পৰা জানি লওঁ হয়নে নাই গতিকে বলক ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ এয়া হৈছে ডিন বিল্ডিং স্কুল অফ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিংৰ আৰু ডিন ছাৰৰ জৰিয়তে বাকী সবিশেষ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিংৰ বিষয়ে জানো বলক
This is Professor Parthipatim Saul, Dean School of Engineering. School of Engineering having 9 departments: Department of Computer Science Engineering, Department of Civil Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Department of Food Engineering Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Department of Energy, Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Design, Department of Applied Science. Newly joined one department, that is Department of Vocational and Skill Development. Most of the department has BTech program, MTech program, and computer science and technology. They have in addition they have the MCA program. And our BTech program admission is being done through JEE main exam, and we have a 60% reserved for the northeast of India, and 40% comes through the all India level through JOSA, Central Counseling. So in MTech program we have a two part. One is MTech admission through GATE, that is direct. We have a GATE, then through GATE we can have a admission. And apart from that, we have a Tezpur University entrance exam. Through that also they can come as for a MTech program. As well as some students can come from the QUT. QUT is a central government organized entrance exam. Through that we can get admission. And apart from that, we have a PhD program in all departments. And in addition, in design department, we have a Master of Design. And recently we have started the Bachelor of Design, BDES program, through JEE. Is admission through JEE, and MDES will be admitted to the student admitted to the SEET exam. SEET is the all India exam. Through that we can get admission in the MDES program. And some of the our alumni, we have a strong base of alumni. Our alumni, they are working in the ISRO. They have participated in the strong deputy project manager in ISRO, Chandran, Dr. Chayan Datta. And we have also students in different IIT, such as IIT Delhi, Professor Tapan Gandhi is the chair professor in IIT Delhi, electrical engineering, and some students in faculty University of Science, some students working faculty outside also. So we have good alumni feedback, and one student recently joined in the Japan, one of the best university in Japan, Tokyo University, as the assistant professor recently after getting PhD from the department. One PhD working one of the best university in Spain. So this is our placement, and we apart from that, we always think that without development of the region, we cannot go. Our special obligation is there, and some special responsibility is there. So that is why we are doing all outreach program nearby, even throughout India also we try to do. Thank you very much for giving me chance to tell all this achievement, all this thing. Thank you.
Don't let me down, 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 down. I'm waiting, waiting for you, waiting for you. Don't let me down, 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 down. I'm waiting, waiting for you, waiting for you. Don't let me down, 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 down. I'm waiting, waiting for you, waiting for you. Don't let me down, 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 down. I'm waiting, waiting for you, waiting for you. I'm staying awake, waiting for your call. Nowhere to escape, in between these walls. Time is getting late, wondering where you are. Need to get it straight, cause I think I'm falling hard. I'm falling, so save me. Just save me, hear my alarm. It's calling, I'm waiting for you.
Fabrication at Tezpur University, Department of Electronics and Communication. This is the recent research article published by the reputed journals, and this is the news published from our lab. ये हमारा माइक्रो फैब्रिकेशन लैब का वर्किंग एरिया है, जहां हम लोग जो सेमीकंडक्टर डिवाइस बनाते हैं और उसका मटेरियल मतलब हम लोग सिंथेसिस करते हैं, वो हमारा ये एरिया है जहां लैमिनेट एंड फ्लो है। और दिस इज आवर, और ये हमारा वर्किंग टेबल है जहाँ से और हम जो भी रिक्वायर्ड केमिकल्स वगैरह होता है, ये हमारा केमिकल्स रीजन्स है। और एक और क्वांटम ऑप्टिक्स का लेबोरेटरी ये साइड में रहा, और इधर में भी हमारे पास कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है। मैं अभी क्लीन रूम एरिया माइक्रो फैब्रिकेशन का लैब में हूँ, जहाँ ये फैब्रिकेशन टेक्निक जैसे कि हमारा थिन फिल्म डिपोजिशन यूनिट है, यहाँ पे हमारा PECVD सिस्टम है, वहाँ पे आयोन एच है, और हमारा इधर थिन फिल्म डिपोजिशन के लिए है। और अभी जो हमारा भारत सरकार ने सेमीकंडक्टर हब के लिए जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट ये जागीर रोड में जो प्लान वगैरह जो स्टैब्लिश होने वाला है, तो हम लोग भी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि हमारा यहाँ पे हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग हो, और जो भी आदमी या कोई इंस्टीट्यूट या कोई आदमी करना चाहता है हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग, वो हमारा प्रोफेसर पार्था प्रतिम साहू एंड प्रोफेसर विक्रम मंडल को आप अप्रोच कर सकते हो। थ्रू देम आप यहाँ पे हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग वगैरह कर सकते हैं।
So save me, just save me, hear my alarm. It's calling, I'm waiting for you. Don't let me down, 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 down. I'm waiting.
Namaskar, myself Dr. Pizit Chandradas, Deputy Director Training and Placement Cell, Tezpur University. I do look after the placement of engineering students at Tezpur University. We have the BTech and MTech as well as MCA and Master of Design courses in our university. We have other than electrical, most of the BTech have around 60 seats, and we have, from this time onwards, from the academic year 24-25, we will have Bachelor of Design, that is BTech in Bachelor of Design as a new course. We will have MTech in Data Science. These are the new courses introduced this year in our engineering school of engineering. And the placement has been very phenomenal, especially in the year 2022, and wherein we had around 300 offers and around 220 students were placed in the year 2022. We had companies like BlackRock, we have companies like Oil, we have companies like L&T, ECC, Elston, ITC Infotech, Software AG, IQVIA, Bharat Electronics Limited, one of the giant in the defense sector, and Indradhanush Gas Grid Limited. We had Dalmia Cements, we had Tech Variable, we have Atlan, wherein one of our BTech electronics students was placed. We have Saint-Gobain, we have Accenture, CDEC, Federal Bank, then KEC International for Civil Engineering, Gulf Asia Engineering Projects Private Limited. These are two international placements that have taken place for the batch of 2024. This is our first international placement for the BTech students at Tezpur University in the campus. Then we had placement in companies like ArcelorMittal and Nippon Steel. Then we have Elysian, ITC Foods, Amul, ITC Infotech, then Hexaware, Tata Technologies, Tata Consumers, and Net Enrich, and Capri.ai. These are the companies which have been visiting our campuses since last 2-3 years, especially since 22 they have been visiting our campuses. This year our placement Master of Design, and in the year 2022 we had around 217 placement, around 300 offers. In 2023 we had 137 students were placed, and for this year the placement has been in oil, LNTCC, Alstom. These are the companies this year the placement has taken place, and few are in pipeline. Last year the highest salary was that is for the batch of 2023. The highest salary was 20 lakhs, and for the batch of 2022 the highest salary was 37 lakhs. Our average salary, that is the median salary, almost median and average is same here. Our median salary has been in the range of 4.25 to 4.3 in the last 3 years, including this year. That is our median salary, and the highest has been 37 lakhs for the batch of 22 and 20 lakhs for the batch of 23. This year some of the placement are in pipeline. The result is yet to be out, especially for the higher salaries, so we are waiting for that. We wish all our alumni good luck, people who are leaving or the students who are leaving the School of Engineering Tezpur University this year, that is the batch of 2024, and we also seek a full support and good cooperation from all our alumni who are placed in various good positions across the world, across the globe, pan-India, in various IT companies or any other places.
Down